If you're tired of watching your plants struggle under the attack of powdery mildew, root rot, and persistent fungal diseases, you're not alone. Every gardener, whether working with raised beds, open fields, or container setups, eventually confronts these destructive issues. But what if the solution isn't a costly chemical from the store but something already sitting in your garden and fridge? Today on Soil and Crop Central, we're diving into a truly transformative science-backed method to defend your plants using just 2 natural ingredients. It's simple, safe for pollinators, and incredibly effective. This is the go-to antifungal and pest deterrent every gardener should have on hand. Let's get straight into it, because this remedy isn't just another DIY trick. It's an essential tool to help you grow healthier, more resilient crops year-round. The power of 2 ingredients for fungal control. At the heart of this natural spray are turmeric and milk, 2 ingredients that you wouldn't normally associate with gardening, but when combined correctly, create a potent antifungal mixture that can be used both as a foliar spray and a soil drench. This is not only effective against common fungal infections like powdery mildew, but also targets the root rot that often goes unnoticed until your plants begin to fail. Turmeric contains powerful compounds such as curcumin that give it natural antifungal and antimicrobial properties. In the garden, turmeric works like a shield, killing off the microscopic fungi and bacteria that often thrive in moist, humid conditions. Its strong odor also plays a role in deterring pests such as whiteflies and aphids, offering a dual benefit. Milk, on the other hand, is an old yet well-documented natural remedy in organic gardening. When diluted with water, milk promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms while suppressing harmful fungi like those responsible for powdery mildew. It forms a gentle film on the plant's surface that not only protects leaves, but also encourages healthy microbial activity. Together, these 2 ingredients form a dynamic solution. And what's truly exciting is how accessible they are. You don't need to visit a specialty store or order anything online. If you grow turmeric, you're already halfway there. If not, turmeric powder works just as well. Making the spray and understanding the ratios. This recipe is easy to remember and quick to make. All you need is 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of milk, and 4 cups of water. The water should be slightly warm, not hot, to help dissolve the turmeric thoroughly while preserving the beneficial enzymes and microbes in the milk. If you have fresh turmeric, you can boil grated pieces in water, then strain the liquid and use 1 cup of that turmeric-infused water in place of the powder. In this case, reduce the regular water to 3 cups. Whether you're using fresh or powdered turmeric, the results are the same. A powerful antifungal and pest-repelling mixture that's safe, natural, and effective. This spray can be used immediately after preparation. There's no fermentation period or wait time. Simply shake it up and you're ready to apply. How and when to use it for best results. Timing is critical when dealing with fungal diseases. Powdery mildew and root rot thrive in damp, shaded conditions, especially after periods of rain or high humidity. That's why early morning or late afternoon are the best times to apply this spray. Avoid spraying under direct midday sun to prevent stress on your plants. When using this as a foliar spray, cover both the tops and undersides of the leaves. Fungi like powdery mildew often begin on the undersides, where moisture lingers longer and light exposure is lower. By coating the entire leaf surface, you're ensuring complete protection. The milk helps the mixture stick to the leaves, creating a natural barrier that remains effective even after light rainfall. As a soil drench, pour the mixture around the base of your plants, especially those prone to root diseases like onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberries. This will introduce antifungal agents directly into the root zone, reducing the risk of rot and strengthening the plant's ability to recover from overwatering or poor drainage. It's especially effective during transplanting. Seedlings are highly vulnerable to damping off and transplant shock, and moist compact soil often worsens the problem. Watering your seedlings with this turmeric milk solution at planting time not only improves root health, but helps the plants establish more quickly and vigorously. What plants benefit most from this natural spray? This treatment has shown exceptional results across a wide range of crops. Tomatoes in particular are notorious for developing blights and fungal spots that limit their productivity. A weekly spray keeps their foliage clean and productive, reducing disease pressure without introducing synthetic chemicals. Peppers, both sweet and hot, also benefit. After pruning, pepper plants can suffer from fungal infections at the cut sites. Dusting wounds with dry turmeric powder or applying this spray directly helps those wounds heal cleanly and quickly, preventing infection from setting in. Cucumbers, zucchinis, pumpkins, and other squashes are highly susceptible to powdery mildew, especially in humid or rainy conditions. Spraying these crops regularly with this solution helps prevent the white, powdery growth that can quickly defoliate the plant and stunt fruit development. Strawberries, while sweet and rewarding, are vulnerable to both leaf browning and root diseases. Regular use of this spray keeps the foliage healthy and vibrant while also promoting stronger root systems that can withstand heavy rains and overwatering. And don't overlook its value for root crops like onions and carrots. If you've ever pulled up a rotting onion bulb after months of careful tending, you understand how heartbreaking fungal rot can be. This spray acts as a preventative tool, allowing you to protect your investment before symptoms even appear. Why this is better than soap-based sprays. Some gardeners use dish soap to help sprays stick to leaves, but this often causes more harm than good. Soap can burn tender leaves and disrupt the natural wax coating that protects plants from dehydration. In this turmeric and milk solution, milk already acts as a binder, helping the turmeric adhere to the leaves naturally without any risk of chemical burn. This makes it a gentler and safer option, especially for tender seedlings and fruiting crops. Long-term benefits and proven results. This isn't just a one-time fix, it's a long-term strategy. Consistent use of this spray over the course of a growing season has led to healthier plants, larger harvests, and a noticeable decrease in common pests and diseases. Gardeners who previously struggled with whiteflies, aphids, mildew, and plant rot have reported lasting improvements after incorporating this spray into their routine. The results are visible not just in individual plants but across entire garden beds. Healthier leaves mean more efficient photosynthesis, which leads to better fruiting and more robust growth overall. By controlling fungi and pests in a natural, sustainable way, you're also improving soil health and reducing your reliance on synthetic treatments. Make it a part of your gardening routine. To get the most out of this powerful natural remedy, treat it as a preventative, not a reactionary measure. Don't wait for powdery mildew to appear or root rot to take hold. Use it weekly, especially after heavy rains, high humidity, or when transplanting new seedlings. This 2-ingredient solution is more than a gardening hack. It's a sustainable, affordable method to improve your crops and soil health season after season. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience in the garden, this is one tool you'll be glad to have in your arsenal. If you found this guide helpful, imagine how many other gardeners out there could benefit from it too. Share this with your gardening friends, community groups, or anyone looking for healthier ways to grow. Don't forget to subscribe to the Soil and Crop Central YouTube channel so you never miss a practical gardening tip that can change the way you grow. Hit that like button and leave a comment to let us know how this spray works for you.